Fucking hope. Yeah. Well, what I was confused about Predator was what's the extras about? Okay. Let's go. I'm on. Watch him be right behind this fucking door. Ooh, lordy. I really don't want to be here anymore. I would very much like to not be in here. I'm fucking getting close to the end of the game. Fucking feeling good about that. Not feeling good about that, that whole fucking, DLC bit.
This is Sinclair.
Shit, I didn't.
You guys took too long.
Wait, is there no utility?
I had to power down this facility and take the
1851. 1851.
Can't afford to keep the sanctuary wide open. All it'll take is one creature to get in, and all the supplies and weapons we've taken come to jack shit.
Fuck.
Never mind. I'm gonna sit this out.
I'm gonna fucking get murdered. I was leaving, dude.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but when you started chasing
Oh, God.
that'll never come.
Oh, God.
Plan.
That was bad. Okay. This is bad.